What's up, y'all? Back again with another video. Today we're going to be installing my Bestop Bikini top. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get to this install. We're getting once you order the actual bikini top, this rod looking thing is gonna it's not gonna come put together. So what you do is you pretty much just slide it into the little pouch and snap it in. You have little snaps on it. See, like so. Just snap it on. All right, so first things first. What keeps the bikini top down? These knobs, you get one for each side. It goes right above your sunshade. Right there. So let's get that fastened in and finish up this install. Put the sunshade back. Repeat that step on the other side. So, you got two straps in the back, one on each side, and there's holes going all across your cargo area for when you put your top back on. Well, I like to put the clamp to my strap in the third hole from the back. Like so. Strap number 2 goes right here. Pull to tight, repeat on the other side. Pull it tight. Now this one is kind of like two straps in one. What you want to do, you want to wrap it around and fasten it together. Pull it tight. Repeat on the other side. Lastly, this flap has Velcro on it. Just match the Velcro. There you go. Repeat on the other side. Man, I know y'all like this shirt, man. You know, got this shirt from Walmart, and I made it. Got it from Walmart, and I tie-dyed it. You know, y'all want to see a video on how to tie-dye shirts? Just let me know. Comment section below, and I got you. Man, I really appreciate y'all tuning in to my channel. Those new subscribers, man, I see y'all, man. I really appreciate that. If y'all like what y'all see, subscribe to my channel. All right, I'm out.